Box staples are tools used for closing cardboard boxes. These are divided into manual, pneumatic, and battery-operated are equipped with device for adjusting the seam depth. The closure is by means of the jaws which, closing, fold the clip on the box. The staples normally used for the closure of the cartons are those 35 to 15, 35 to 19, and 35 to 22. For particular applications, you can buy the model for staples 32 to 15 or 32 to 19. For manual ones, there are 3 main Roma models that is a slightly more robust machine available. In 3 models, Roma box and hand boxer, the latter available in 2 models, as well as the standard one, and a model on request that allows you to use staples a little more particular, with width 30 to millimeters. The Batbox is another convenient battery model. For the absence of wire, has a battery with a maximum duration of 800 points. So an average working day and fast charging is only 45 minutes, in case you can buy other spare batteries. Pneumatic staplers, on the other hand, are tools used for continuous production, since no effort must be applied to close the box and differ in the different working pressure. The jumbo model, for example, is a pneumatic model that allows you to put 2 points per second on particularly thick surfaces, and these also use staples of length 35 or 30 to millimeters. There are also staplers with pneumatic mechanical pedal, designed for the closure of the bottom of the boxes, because they allow you to keep the inner part closed while you go to make the closure by staples. All machines are ready for delivery, and we carry out repairs at our warehouse. For more information, you can contact our technicians by sending an email or calling